Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got some new polishes from Moonshine Manny by our favorite Miss Phoebe Moon. And this is her Friends Thanksgiving collection. It comes with these 4 beauties, which I will be swatching. And then if you ordered, I don't know, if it was something about if you ordered the first day they were on sale or something like that, then you got a free bonus polish, which I also had to get. So this is Friends, the series, you know, all of our favorites, and these are polishes representing Friends Thanksgivings. So this first one is, I wasn't supposed to put beef in the trifle. Craziness. This next one is Bring on the Yams. That's such a yam color. The yellow is the Geller Cup, and it's more of a greeny yellow with a ton of flakiness in there. And then the King of Bad Thanksgivings. Look how gorgeous. Look. And the bonus, which is also for sale, is How You Doing? So these are all 15 mLs, and I am totally stoked and ready to swatch them. But you guys know me. If I'm, looking at something, I'm looking. And so I also ended up picking up 2 other polishes, and you'll understand why, because I do love me some Friends. I also love me some Harry Potter, and these are Harry Potter polish. This one is The Brightest Witch for Hermione. And then The Boy Who Lived 2.0 for, of course, Harry Potter. Look at that. So I'm going to get things ready and we're going to swatch these. Bring on the swatching. So here we go. The first one is, I wasn't supposed to put beef in the trifle. Oh, I love it. Oh, how pretty. Okay, I love, love, love this brush. Love it. Love the bottle shape. These are my first ones with the new bottle shape, so I have to say I'm pretty much digging it. The next one is Bring on the Yams. And I'm telling you, she couldn't have nailed this any better. That is such a yam color. Oh, totally. Or, like in the South, I think we have mostly sweet potatoes, but very similar. So Bring on the Yams. First coat of the Geller Cup. Oh yeah. See, I love funky greeny colors like this. I know a lot of people don't, but I do. And you put those flakies in there like that? Yes, please. And then the King of Bad Thanksgivings. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, hold on, I need a little more of that. Give me some more of that. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, yes. Oh, that's just yummy. Look, look, look. Oh, yeah. And then, finally, on the Friends, this is How You Doing? I love it. Of course, I do love me some Phoebe Moon, so I knew I would love these, or I wouldn't have ordered them. So there we go with that. And then we're going to do the 2 Harry Potter ones. The Brightest Witch. Oh yeah. I'm digging it. Oh, that's very unusual. It's got the black shards, and then it's also got those, like, iridescent, opalescent looking flakies in it. I'm loving that. So there we go. And then The Boy Who Lived. Ooh, wee. I wasn't expecting to be that bright. Very pretty. Okay, we're going to go back to, I wasn't supposed to put beef in the trifle. Oh, just gorgeous. Unusual. See, I love the unusual, so polishes like this just sing to me. Next is Bring on the Yams. Yes. And then Geller Cup. The Geller Cup, not Geller Cup. The Geller Cup. Oh, I love it. Those flakies are just floating in there. Digging it. And then the King of Bad Thanksgivings. Yay! Oh yes, gorgeous. Look at the sparkle. And then How You Doing? It's kind of jelly. I like it. Ooh, it gets much darker on that second coat. Gorgeous. Stunning. Alright, and then The Brightest Witch. That is so unusual. I love it. Ooh. So, last I checked, these are still totally available, and I'm quite sure that Phoebe will have her a, Black Friday thing going on, so you might want to go check it out. I will leave a link to her storefront down below. I did buy these. I'm not on her PR staff, so I just want to throw that out there. And then The Boy Who Lived. Oh my gosh. I hope you guys can see that on film, camera. We don't say film anymore, right? It's digital. But I hope y'all can see the shimmer and loveliness of that one. Oh my goodness. So those are the polishes I picked up from her sale. It was, if you bought the collection, you got a little bit of a discount, so it was on sale, kind of. So, and then of course, I got the How You Doing, because if you bought the collection, you got How You Doing for free. And then I also had to pick up these two, so I ended up getting free shipping because I ordered so much. So that is it for that. I hope you enjoyed these. Leave me a comment down below and let me know which one was your favorite. And if you purchased these already, if you, like me, you junked up and had to just jump out there and grab them. But that is it for me today. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment, like I said, down below. I always love chatting with you. And that is it for me today. I want to thank you for watching. And until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon. Bye.